Alright guys, we got our second JSWS knife here. Let's take a look at it. This time it's in G10. Let's get it out of the box. Alright, there it is guys. These are amazing value for money, I gotta say. Right now $17.99 on Amazon. There will be links below. And like I say, this one's in G10. We've got the access lock there. We've got the deep pocket carry clip. We've got a hole there for a lanyard. And these scales are rounded off. They are comfortable. We've got double studs here. Let's flick it open. Flicks open like a breeze. Look at that blade there. I love this one. This is my new favourite. We've got a nice big long swedge there, very pokey blade, and deep jimping here. It's not too aggressive, but your thumb just goes plonk straight in there. Perfect. And we've got that 3.39 inch 440C stainless steel blade there. And these knives are coming in sharp. Look at that. Dang. Had a right old haircut there. Look at that bald arm. There we go there. Guys, these knives are coming in sharp. They're very nice. I'm very impressed with them. It's a mystery how they do it for the money to me. But there you go guys. There's my other one. They're very similar. But this one's in my Carter and with the polished blade, similar size, same axis lock, slightly different handle contours and slightly different shape there. But awesome knives, value for money. I thought the Walmart specials were really good, but these are blowing me away. And the action, look at that. Now these guys, I expected to be running on washers, and they're not. Well, they are running on washers. I expected nylon washers for the money. But these things are running on what looks like, if you can see it in there, I'll do some close-up pictures. But they look like the bronze washers. I don't know if they are, or if they're copper, brass, or what they are. But they're definitely looking metallic, and they're running good. They're running good. I'll try and get some close-up pictures if you can see them there. There they are. Yeah. Anyway, they run exceptionally well. Fantastic bargains. There's links down below. I love this blade. Very nice. Very nice. Feels great. Nice contours here. Left or right hand pocket clip. Deep pocket carry pocket clip. Let's have a quick weigh in. It's 106 grams. I think that's like a hair lighter than the My Carter one. Let's have a look in ounces. 3.7 ounces. There you go guys. Perfect EDC weight. Alright, let's have one last look at it. Perfect blade centering, deep pocket carry clip, contour G10 handle. Runs awesome. Out the box. Alright, catch you later guys. Links down below.